Okay, so here you guys today. I am doing my slime collection. I have another slime collection. Well, basically the slime collection. We just made these slimes. So this is the first one. It's a little one. I know we're gonna get to the big ones. Here's another one my sister made. But yeah, and that one's kind of like a rough, hard one. This is my favorite one. These are all mine, not those two. These are all mine, but yeah, we just like basically share them. So this is the big one. I'm gonna make color in those, and this is another big one of mine. Oh, well, both of us. Oh, this one's starting again. So this is another big one, and yeah, so we're gonna actually move on this. We're gonna put this one up there, and I'm gonna leave this one in here because I use mine.
So
Okay,
that's
So up close of them, this is one we're gonna put color in it. This is not my favorite one. This is actually Zari's favorite one. This one is my favorite one because like it's so warm and hot.
yeah. She make it hot. I don't know how.
And then those two, we can't put these together.